Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. I am participating in a fall dessert collab with Mimi and Harmony. Now I went apple picking a couple of months ago and the delicious apples are still in my fridge and I needed to do something special with them. So I'm thinking of baking an apple pie for you as part of this fall dessert collab. I made an apple crumble and it came out pretty good. So now I'm going to try this apple pie. If you want to be a part of this fall dessert collaboration, then listen to the information and come on and upload your video too. Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Catherine Constant and I have an open invitation for you. Yeah, that's right, you. I want you to be a part of our Fall Desserts Collab.
It's Mimi here and I am so excited to invite all of you to this open collaboration of our favorite fall desserts or treats. Now, I will be co-hosting this with Harmony. She is the wife of YouTuber maness777 and then also Catherine from Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy.
I am so excited to be collaborating with Harmony Mimi on this fall collab. I have been looking at my different cookbooks, the Taste of Home baking book, and my Essentials of Baking. And I have been actually trying my hand in baking. And so I want you to come and share with us your tasty treats for the season.
Everyone is welcome. So I'm hoping that everyone...
Yes, everyone is welcome. So pull out your recipe books. Hallelujah, your favorite recipe.
Sharing your favorite or even a new dessert or treat.
She said that you can have a new dessert too, and I agree.
Just trying for the first time for the fall. Number 3, include a link to the playlist. So I'll create a playlist that you would include in your description box. It'll bring all of the YouTubers over to my channel so they can see all of the creations.
I can't wait to see all of your creations.
Number 4, upload your video on Saturday, November 10th at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or later. So guys, please do upload your video on Saturday, November 10th at 7 a.m.
November 10th is the day to upload. Woo! We are co-hosting this. Come together as a beautiful community, sharing our baking skills and talents. Now you know I am not a baker. This is a great time to learn and to try something new, try something different. So that's why I'm going to go to the experts. This is my book, Essentials of Baking, and start finding out exactly what I need to do to make some really great desserts. Please see the open invite collab details below. I hope everyone will be able to participate. See you soon. God bless. Everyone is welcome to participate. Create a video sharing your favorite or even a new fall dessert or treat made by you. Include in your description box the playlist link. Please upload your video on Saturday, November 10, 2018 at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or later. Have tons of fun. Thank you so much and have a great time baking. All right, I'm going to get started on this apple pie and hopefully I'll have it all finished and ready for you by the end of the day and you'll see it real soon. So stay tuned.